In a press conference held last week of this month, we had clearly mentioned that several BJP functionaries are involved in the cash for job scam. Also, some people close to the ministers, some personal staff of the ministers are directly involved in this. And we had also brought one thing to the notice of the people, that a personal staff of one of the minister is involved. His resignation backdated has already been taken so that the minister can tomorrow wash off his hands of this entire scam. Now it has come to our knowledge that a personal staff of a cabinet minister is arrested. His name is Aniket Kandolkar, and it is very shocking that these things are going on in broad daylight. Although the BJP is in denial mode since last several weeks, we have seen BJP taking press conferences and trying to save their skin. Also, we have seen Goa police senior officers holding a press conference and giving a clean sheet to the political connection, despite of all these things being wide open in public domain, that most of the people who are arrested are having direct links to the ruling political party. Also, some staff connected to the cabinet ministers have been arrested. But on that, already we have criticized the police department's press conference. We have seen the chief minister giving a clean sheet to the police department now. It's a classic case of you scratch my back and I'll scratch yours, which is being done by the police department and the chief minister and the ruling dispensation. Connecting to the same issue, we have seen come across some very shocking statements of the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Mr. Ramesh Tawadkar. Ramesh Tawadkar has spoken primarily on three major issues. One, about the cabinet ministers not respecting the speaker, who is a constitutional authority. Secondly, the performance of the minister. The speaker of the legislative assembly, who also is a BJP MLA, have criticized the performance of the ministers. He has clearly said that the minister, including the chief minister, are behaving as if the ministers who are functioning for their own, not for the people or the general public, which is very shocking. And I don't understand how BJP is going to go to the people during the next 27 election when your own MLA, when your own speaker, who is one of the highest constitutional authority in the state, has given a report card of failure to the BJP government. Thirdly, he has spoken about the defectors, the ones who are defecting and the ones who are accepting the defectors. I think this is an eye opener for everyone in politics. When you get elected on one particular ticket of one particular party and you switch over to some other political party, the speaker, although he has protected them by not disqualifying the defectors, he has clearly said that there has to be some limitations. In looking overall summary of his remarks, we strongly demand that the Speaker Ramesh Tawadkar should resign from his position, as he has failed to uphold the democracy. He himself has accepted that his government has failed, and he himself is made statement that his ministers are not respecting him, or else he should ensure that the chief minister who is heading this government, which is a government of failure as per the Ramesh Tawadkar, should immediately resign.